In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set automatic bidding on eBay. If you've ever found yourself glued to the screen, waiting to swoop in with that perfect bid just before the auction ends, this method is for you. By setting up automatic bidding, you can save time and increase your chances of winning your desired item without constantly monitoring the auction. So, let's dive into it and see how you can make your eBay bidding experience seamless and efficient. First things first, let's start by going to the eBay website. Open your favorite web browser and head over to eBay.com. Once there, you'll want to log into your account. If you're not already signed in, click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, and you'll be all set to jump into the exciting world of auctions. If you don't have an account yet, simply create one by following the on-screen prompts. It's easy and straightforward. Now that you're logged in, it's time to search for the item you're interested in bidding on. You can use the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page to enter the name or description of the item you're looking for. Let's say you're in the market for a pickleball paddle. Just type that into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a list of results that match your query. With your list of items displayed, let's refine your search to show only auctions. Look for the filters on the left-hand side of the page. There, under the Buying Format section, you'll see filters like Auction and Buy It Now. Click on Auction to narrow down the results to items you can bid on. This way, you're only seeing listings that allow competitive bidding, which is exactly what we're aiming to do. Once you've applied the filter and found an item that catches your eye, click on it. This will take you to the detailed item page where you can find more information about the item's condition, shipping options, and seller details. It's always a great idea to thoroughly review these details to ensure you're comfortable with the terms before proceeding. The next step is where the magic happens. On the item page, you'll see a button labeled Place Bid. Click on it to open a window where you can enter the maximum amount you're willing to bid. eBay will automatically place bids on your behalf, starting with the current lowest bid, and only increase your bid as needed to keep you in the running, up to your maximum. After typing in the amount, click Review Bid. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your maximum bid amount. Once confirmed, your job is pretty much done. Congratulations, you've just set up automatic bidding on eBay. Now you can leave the hard work to eBay's system while you get on with your day, knowing you've done your best to secure the item at a price you're willing to pay. Happy bidding!